EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to play the song Somewhere in My Memory from the motion picture Home Alone. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part, and parts 2 and 3 are on the website. Please see them. We will begin the first part with the right hand. Right hand begins with 5th finger on A. 3rd is on F sharp. Again A. 2nd is on C sharp. 1st is on A. 2nd is on C sharp. 5th finger moves up to D. Add the lower D below. And then move to octave G. 5th finger moves up to A, 2nd is on C sharp, A, C sharp, 3rd finger plays B, now together G and D, and 2nd on D and G. 3rd finger plays F sharp, A, D, 5th finger plays F sharp, hold it while you play below the notes B, D, 1st on B, 4th finger on E, A, C sharp, 1st finger plays D, D, C sharp 2 times, 2nd finger on E, D, and again D, high D, C sharp, and again C sharp. Now this part will go a little faster, but once you get the hang of it, you can speed up the tempo. So D, E, F sharp, G, A, and again D, E, F sharp, G, and then we head straight into the main theme. So we've got D and A fingers 1 and 5. 3rd is on F sharp, now C sharp and A, F sharp, now together D, G and D fingers 1, 2 and 5, and F sharp and A fingers 1 and 3. 1st is on F sharp, 3rd is on A, now your right hand moves down to B, D, E fingers 1, 2 and 3. 5th is on B. Now we have C sharp, F sharp and A fingers 1, 3 and 5. 2nd is on D. 5th is on G. And now we have a chord, so we've got G, B, D, F sharp at the same time all together. And another chord, we've got A, C sharp and E. right hand moves up to C sharp, D, E. First is on A. Now together D and A fingers 1 and 5. Third is on F sharp. Now C sharp and A fingers 1 and 5. F sharp. And together we have D, B, D fingers 1, 3 and 5. And F sharp and A fingers 1 and 2. We will stop here and look at the next hand. Left hand begins with 5th finger on D. A, F sharp. Left hand 5th is on C sharp. A, F sharp. Back to A, B, G, D, C sharp, A, F sharp, and again A. Left and 5th is on D, B, G, B, C sharp, A, F sharp, C sharp, 5th is on B, D, G, D, 4th is on C sharp, E, and A octave. Left hand moves down to the lower D. A, 4th is on E, A, D, A, F sharp, A, G, A, 4th is on E, A, G, and again A. Now here the song starts, so we have D, add the A on top, 5th finger on C sharp, A, left and 5th is on B, 4th is on D, G, B, 1st is on C sharp, 4th is on F sharp, A, and together left hand 5th and 1st on B and G. Moving up, C sharp and A, left and 5th is on D, repeat the D, F sharp, D, and lower A. First finger plays F sharp, D, 3rd is on A, 5th is on the lower D, and 2nd is on A. 5th is on G, D, G, 1st is on C sharp, 5th is on F sharp, A, C sharp, and E. We will now combine the first part hands together. Left hand begins with 5th finger on D, and right hand begins with 5th finger on A. Left is on A. Together, left hand 3rd is on F sharp, right hand 3rd is also on F sharp. Together. Left hand A, right hand C sharp. Together. And back. Left hand 5th is on B, right hand 5th is on D. Together. Left hand 3rd is on D, right hand G octave. Together. F sharp A. Left hand 5th is on D, right hand 3rd is on B. Together. Hold on to the F sharp in the right. Left hand 4th is on C sharp, right hand 4th is on E. hold on to the E. Both hands move down, left hand on D and right hand on D. Here the song starts. Left hand hold on to the D, add the A on top. Left hand fifth on C sharp, right hand C sharp and A. Left hand add the A, F sharp, together, left hand B and G, fingers 5 and 1, right hand B, D, E, fingers 1, 2 and 3. Together. Right hand begins. Right hand D, B, D, fingers 1, 3 and 5. G. Together. This is it for the first part. Please see the website to continue learning this song. Happy practicing!